Welcome back everyone, Triple M here. Today we're talking about Walmart's next Google TV box that leaked over the past couple of days, and this is set to have 16 gigs of storage as well as a brand new design. So we're going to jump right into the details. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Let's go. So we all know that the On 4K Streaming Pro was the latest release from Walmart's line of on streaming boxes. Now the On 4K Streaming Pro is, in my opinion, the best value streaming box that's currently available. Just everything it offers as far as the USB ports, Ethernet, hands-free Google Assistant, just so much packed in. That's why I think this is the hottest streaming box that's around. However, we did learn recently that the Chromecast has been discontinued, and looks like On/Walmart is set to fill that void with a lower tier device. So this is going to be a little bit, name of this one is the On 4K Plus. We have pictures of the design, what it looks like. Definitely want to hear your thoughts in the comment section. So today I'm going to read a little bit from 9 to 5 Google. Of course, I'll leave the link to the full article in the description. So title of this one is Walmart's next Google TV box leaks as Chromecast replacement with 16 gigs of storage. So here's a look at the box, and we'll get into the additional pictures that were showcased. This is a vast departure of what we've seen from On ever as far as the coloring of the box. So now we have the blue box versus the yellow. Just the colors on this don't look right, but we're gonna judge it by its merits, not by its looks. Let's go ahead and read the article. So Walmart has a new On 4K Plus streaming device on its way. It's going to fill that gap left by the death of the Chromecast. Now, Google announced last year that after a decade, it will stop producing the Chromecast streaming devices that sold millions over the course of a few hardware generations. Yes, we love the On 4K Streaming Pro, but what about those folks who are looking for a Google TV device, but not necessarily anything that extravagant? They just want something to plug and play, forget about it, throw it behind the TV. Looking to fill that gap right there that was left by the Chromecast. So Walmart's On brand, a staple in the Google TV market for a few years now, may be gunning to fill the gap. While Walmart On 4K box fits into the form factor of the Chromecast quite well, is very affordable at just $20. The 2023 release is starting to be a bit outdated. It also lags just a bit on horsepower. So they're talking about this On device right here, which was released a couple years ago. It is $20, 4K device, but it's a couple years now, and they're starting to think that essentially a replacement for that one. The new Walmart On 4K Plus will presumably deliver some additional horsepower. Now, leaked photos off the Walmart's On 4K Streaming Plus Google TV hit the web this week, courtesy of an early program that popped up on the home tester reviews over the past couple weeks. Now, dozens of reviews praise the device, though they didn't reveal its price. Now, what we can see is an updated hardware which looks a bit nicer than the existing On 4K box. Again, different price point. This is not going to be a higher tier device, so like the Chromecast was, stick it behind the TV and you're all set. Now, one image shows the back of the box, which reveals a few technical specs. All right, so get into the pictures here. So here's a look at the box as well as the remote, the free TV remote there. It has a similar, like I said, the photos on the boxes kind of change, but you can see some of the specs right there, what's in the box. All right, streaming device, you get the remote, AAA batteries, you do get an HDMI cable, AC adapter, it says right here. So I'm thinking, and we'll get into the other pictures, I'm thinking that the AC adapter is USB-C on one end and just the part that plugs into walls, but we get there. Adhesive tape, quick start guide, and here's the specifications. All right, remote with Google Assistant, cast, 4K resolution, Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, quad-core CPU, 855, GPU, G310, 2 gigs of RAM, does have Wi-Fi, 802.11, ABGNAC, MIMO. All right, so Wi-Fi 6 is included on this, so that's pretty good. Here's a look at the box. HDMI cables right here. This does look like the USB end that the article referred to. Here's the plug end. I don't see anything really special about it or indicating that it's a better design. Looks the same to me. Color might be a little bit different. On 4K Plus includes voice remote. All right, pretty standard there. Look like we have a sneak peek at the UI, which is essentially Google TV, what we see on the other On devices. So nothing spectacular there to look at. Instructional manual. Here's another view at the box. So here's the device packed away in the box. booklet, and this looks like to be the adhesive tape that's included, which is a kind of a cheap way to to roll this out. Find another way to get on the back of the TV, but it is what it is. Notably, the packaging is updated to match Walmart's overall refresh to the On brand. There's a new US compatible only disclaimer on the box. Last year's Walmart On boxes started enforcing software-based region unlock on certain devices. So it stands to reason that this happens out of the box on the latest model. So that's something to keep in mind. I know we in the US enjoy the On 4K Streaming Pro, but folks who bought it that live in other countries, either it worked initially, then after an upgrade it was bricked. I know some of them were using VPNs, but then if there's an update push or something happened, it bricks it. So that kind of sucks. So it says Google TV services, including apps, contents, and features, are not supported on this device outside the US and Puerto Rico. Okay, so there it goes. All right, so it's unclear when Walmart will launch this device. So that's one question we don't have an answer to. We also don't know the price, but a review program appeared to have started in early March. Walmart has been known to have a messy launch for these devices. Though so the device could arrive as soon as next week or as late as the next few months. Either way, we know what to expect, and it seems pretty enticing. I don't know if I agree with the enticing part. We definitely know what to expect. My thoughts. I think this will be priced around that $20 to $25 range, which will put it in good, I guess, competition with a lot of those Fire Stick devices, just to give folks cheaper device than maybe the On 4K Streaming Pro, but also a device that's not necessarily Fire TV OS or Roku. If someone wants Google TV, this will be the cheap devices that they get. Also, I can see if someone who's flipping these boxes, this might be a good candidate. Again, it sucks that it's only in the US, but it is what it is. I know VPN has worked in the past, but if this comes regionally locked, that might be an issue altogether. But let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Is there anything special about this? I don't think there is. The specs are mediocre. There's no USB ports. I would rather opt for the Streaming Pro if I can afford it. I just don't know how well this is going to do given what else is currently out there. But definitely want to hear your thoughts in the comment section. What do you think about this new device? What do you think about the new look as far as the On brand? Looks like they're switching the colors, maybe changing it up. Looks weird, but I'm sure we'll all get used to it. It's not about what's in the box. It's about what's inside the box, if that makes sense. But drop your thoughts in the comments. If you're new to the channel, subscribe, smash the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.